Hi guys, this is Taro. こんにちは、Taro です。So today I want to introduce easiest pumpkin dishes ever. Of course, it is Japanese food. Winter is perfect for pumpkin. I mean, now it's sweetest, so best time to eat. So by the way, when you hear the pumpkin, what kind of dishes come to your mind? Mashed pumpkin or soup? Whatever. So I checked the Google, but everything is super complicated and looks take a time. So what I want to introduce you today is easiest pumpkin dish, and this is also Japanese traditional dish. Just wash, cut, and boil. That's it. Let's cook it.